Let's talk about navigation of a chart of accounts. If you remember, we said chart of accounts is the core backbone of QuickBooks program. QuickBooks programming. So how do we access chart of accounts? There are 3 ways to access chart of accounts. We can go to the gear icon here again. Then we can come to settings, and under settings you can see chart of accounts. So you can click here and you can see chart of accounts for your client. Okay. The other way you can access chart of accounts is you can come to your left panel here, which is all your different actions that you can do. And you can scroll down all the way to accounting. And under accounting, you can see chart of accounts and reconcile. So you're going to click on chart of accounts and you'll be able to see your transactions here and your chart of accounts in here as well. And the third way, and very common way a lot of people do this, is on the upper right hand corner next to the gear icon, you can see this hourglass. This is the icon to find things. So you're going to left click on this. You're going to type chart of account, and as you can see, it brings up that option. I can click on it, and once again I can come back and I can come into my chart of accounts in here. And what do you see here? A lot of different transactions. If you recall, we put in a bunch of transactions yesterday ourselves manually, which you're going to practice, and then we also added a lot of accounts and sub accounts, right? And you can see here under action, there's lots of things that we can do here with our transactions. And at the end of the day, we have to reconcile them. So everything that comes into the QuickBooks program, we have to basically approve. QuickBooks program is going to look for us to say, are we approving it? And if we are, we're going to check off as approved, and we will reconcile it.